Do you want a welding machine with easy operation and beautiful welding seams? Senfeng handheld laser welding equipment can perfectly match your needs. Compared with the traditional welding method, the welding speed of handheld laser welder is increased by 3 to 5 times. The entire welding process can be carried out directly, and full penetration can be achieved without prior beveling. The characteristics of one-time and double-sided forming can reduce the subsequent secondary grinding to increase production efficiency. Equipped with 2 motors, the double oval welding head is much more functional and adopts more adjustable spot patterns and parameters. A total of 7 spot modes are available to meet your different welding requirements. The electronic display screen can monitor the welding power, welding mode, welding speed, welding width, and other information in real time to maximize the welding efficiency. Before the welding, let's go and debug the parameters first. The operating system is simple and easy to understand. This interface contains current process parameters and instant alarm information. Click Edit to enter the editing main page. After changing the parameters, you can directly use the modified parameters without clicking OK. Click the icon on the upper right corner to enter the settings interface. The wire feeder can perfectly solve the problem of poor accuracy and consistency of manual wire feeding. It greatly improves work efficiency and saves wire costs. Handheld laser welder has always been famous for its simple operation and no need for professional welders. Can I be able to accomplish this welding task? Let's find out the answer. According to our different demands, the system can also be upgraded to support fish-scale welding. In addition to the internal angle welding we just shown, the handheld laser welding machine supports a wide variety of welding methods. Handheld laser welding is applicable to 0.4 to 8 mm metal workpieces and is used in different industries such as machinery manufacturing, automobile manufacturing, electronic equipment, aerospace, etc. Such a machine with fast forming, beautiful welding seams, and a great increase in your production efficiency. Don't be hesitant to take it into a factory.